This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Michelle Bailey. You will absolutely fall in love with this home when you see it. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with almost 4.5 acres, half bath by the garage and kitchen, laundry room by the garage with tons of cabinets and a sink. Brand new carpet throughout. Freshly painted throughout. Master bedroom is downstairs. The master bathroom has a huge walk-in closet with built-ins. The master shower has 2 shower heads and plenty of space for 2 people. The second level has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a flex area. The third level has 1 bedroom or could be used as a man cave. Garage has separate hookup for a generator. It also has a separate dedicated circuit for an ice machine. The outside boasts an enclosed storage building and a separate open building for all of your outside machinery or toys. The backyard has water and electricity hookups for a pool or outdoor kitchen.